Hi everyone, welcome to Just a Minute. This is Prasad. In this video, we are going to explore the useMemo concept in React. UseMemo is a React hook that is used to memorize the return value of a function. It accepts two parameters. One is callback function and another one is dependency array. If you give the dependency array as an empty array, it means the callback function will execute initially when the component has rendered. And if you give the dependency array with any dependencies, in addition to our above case, it will execute whenever their dependencies have changed. By utilizing useMemo, you can prevent the unnecessary renders, so you can achieve a better user experience. This is a simple React.js application where we are displaying the two state variables A and B. Each state variable have their own increment function to update their state respectively. And we have an expensive operation which returns some expensive value. And in each function we are consoling the data in order to identify which function has executed. Now let's run this application by using npm start command. This is our application running on the browser. When I click on A increment button, we are getting message A increment function is called in the console. In addition, we are also getting the expensive operation message. In B case also we are facing the same issue. Even though expensive operation is not dependent on the state variables, it is rendering when other state variables are changed. So we can use useMemo concept here to avoid this unnecessary render. Now we can cut this expensive operation and paste inside the useMemo and give a dependency array as an empty array. Since it is a useMemo, we don't need to call explicitly. Now we can see when I click on A increment button, only the corresponding function is called. In B case also, we are getting the expected output. If you found it valuable, please subscribe, like and follow to Just a Minute. Thank you.